Good morning, forensic science. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a wet mount slide, because we're going to need to do that for pollen evidence for forensic botany. Okay, so what we're going to need is, got a couple flowers here that I salvaged from outside. We need our microscope. Okay, we need our microscope slides, our cover slips, a water dropper, and we have toothpicks and Q-tips. We're gonna see which one works better. So we're gonna start with one of these flowers. So let's start with the white flower right here. We're gonna see if we could get some pollen out of it. So in order to get the pollen out, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to get your water. Okay, you wanna put a drop of water on the toothpick to get it soaked up. And then you are going to get your flower and you're gonna kind of rub inside where you see all the pollen and areas where pollen would be. Okay, so you kind of just rub until you could try to get enough. Okay. Okay, now we got to get the pollen from the flower onto a glass slide. So you're going to grab a glass slide, get a water dropper, and you're going to drop one little drop right in the middle. If you want, you could go crazy and drop two if it's a small drop. Then you're going to get your toothpick and you're going to roll all the stuff that you picked up from the flower, hopefully right here into the water. Okay, then now that you got all that stuff in there, you're going to get a glass cover slip and you're going to hold it like this at an angle on one side, and then you're going to get close to it and you just kind of let it go. Now you're going to try to avoid all those bubbles. See, I've got 3 bubbles there. It's okay, sometimes it happens, but you're going to try to avoid that at all costs. Next step is we want to get this glass slide onto the microscope and see if we could see anything. Okay, we got the microscope slide on there. Let's see what we got. Wow, it's kind of tough to get a picture of this. I'm trying to make, oh, you kind of see it? No, hold on, almost, oh, there we go. There we go, and voila. See that little piece right in the middle? It's kind of hard to keep it steady, but that yellowish piece right there, it's easier to see in person, but that is a piece of the pollen from that plant.